This is another brand that is made by Unitary Products Group, which is a Johnson Controls company. They are made in America and sold in the USA through a factory-authorized dealer network. The TW4 model is a basic unit that uses microchannel construction that results in a more compact unit. They have an efficiency rating of up to 16.25 SEER but are relatively loud when compared to other brands. The unit has a durable powder-coated finish, but the guarantee is not as good as other brands. The 8L19 models feature their Whisper drive system, which includes an insulated compressor compartment, base pan made of composite materials instead of metal, and a swept wing fan for quiet operation. The unit can also communicate with the other parts of the home's heating and cooling systems through their control for greater efficiency in all seasons. The warranty is very good when a matched system is purchased, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The Climate Connect feature provides pre-configured operating profiles the installing contractor can select during setup to fine-tune the system's operation to match the type of climate where it is installed. The AL21 models feature variable speed technology as well as their unique Charge View built-in display, which shows system operating pressures without the need to attach refrigerant gauges to the system. The matching indoor coils all have electronic expansion valves, which is state-of-the-art technology, to control the refrigerant flow.